The 10 most common insurance questions. What could those insurance questions be? If you are unfamiliar with the topic of insurance and have some questions you wish to be answered, you have come to the right channel. We will tell you what the 10 most common insurance questions are and guide you on what they mean as well as the answers to these questions. There are so many different types of insurance and so many different parts of an insurance policy that we often feel stuck and overwhelmed. In this video, we will tell you what the 10 most common insurance questions are to make your life easier. Make sure to watch until the end of this video to find out what the number one most common insurance question is and how understanding this information can get you everything from the cheapest insurance all the way to making the process of purchasing insurance as simple as possible. Investigating insurance could be confusing as you need insurance for so many parts of your life, including your car, business, and home to begin. The following are answers to 10 questions that will assist you with deciding the insurance that is best for your circumstances. Our first question is, do credit scores influence premiums? Truly, they do. As indicated by administrative relationship, there is an immediate connection between credit scores and people getting into accidents and cancellation policies because of non-payment. Accordingly, premiums are higher for lower credit scores. For number 2, each time I lease a car, I'm asked as to whether I want to buy rental car insurance. Is this something I need, or does my current protection cover the rental? All insurance carriers cover rental vehicles in an unexpected way. Some may give a modest amount of coverage and some don't. Try not to assume the vehicle is covered. Call your insurance broker to find out for a fact. Question 3 is, on the off chance that my garage burns to the ground and my car is in the garage, is my car covered under my home insurance or car insurance? Your home insurance doesn't cover the deficiency of your vehicle, despite the fact that it was in your home. You usually should have a type of complete physical damage coverage on your car insurance policy for it to be covered. Next question. I have acquired important jewelry. If my house is broken into and it is stolen, will the jewelry be covered? Fundamental homeowners policies have limited coverage for jewelry. Contingent upon the value of the jewelry, you might need to buy a personal articles floater, which gives extra coverage to jewelry higher in value. Contact your insurance broker to see what amount is covered under your basic policy. Now for number 5. What variables would it be advisable for me to consider to decide whether I'm getting good value for my homeowner's insurance premium? Most homes are underinsured. During each renewal, ask your insurance broker questions about what is covered under the policy, just as discretionary coverages similar to flood, earthquake, fire, and so on. At that point, pick a deductible that is ideal for you. The higher the deductible, the lower your premium. A high deductible is fine, yet make sure you have the cash for out-of-pocket expenses if something ought to occur. For our 6th question, what isn't covered on my homeowner's insurance policy? Each homeowner's policy is extraordinary, yet much of the time you need stretched out insurance to cover things like bylaws, earthquake, flood, and intentional acts. These discretionary coverages don't come standard on most strategies. Likewise, standard wear and tear isn't covered and regularly isn't coverable. Question number 7. How is condo insurance not the same as homeowner insurance? At the point when you buy an apartment suite, you're not buying the structure, you are buying a unit inside the structure. You're most likely a piece of a condo corporation that fixes external structural damages. Homeowners insurance covers the design as well as the contents inside the home. Approaching the end of these questions, we have our 8th question. What is the difference among general and professional liability insurance for my business? General liability secures you against claims for bodily injury and property damage. For example, somebody stumbling over a string in the workplace and falling. Professional liability is insurance that secures you and your staff against carelessness claims related to your delivery of professional services. For instance, offering what somebody saw as terrible advice. Question number 9 asks, I own a home-based business. Do I need insurance? A very small business, for example, a business operated by a couple of individuals out of a home, may not need workers' compensation insurance, yet it regularly needs more property and liability insurance than is provided in a typical homeowner's policy. Finally, for number 10, what basic insurance do I need for my small business? You may require at least one of the following, contingent upon the type of business: property insurance, liability insurance, business car insurance, workers' compensation insurance, errors and omissions insurance, or professional liability insurance, employment practices liability insurance, directors and officers liability insurance, or business identity theft insurance. And there you have it. So what do you think? Did you learn something new about insurance today? If so, let us know what you found the most interesting down below in the comments, and we would greatly appreciate it if you clicked that like button below to help deliver this information to others, and maybe even hit that subscribe button to join the Insurance Reassurance family. Together, we can assure you will always be up to date on insurance.